welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you one of the suites at the Anderson. I'll drop the name in the description box, but this is one of the rooms with the Hilton Grand Vacations. And without further ado, let me show you the rest of it. So this first bedroom is the first room when you come into the door. It has a closet on this side and another closet on this side. And it also has a restroom inside the bedroom. And so this is room number 1. It's really spacious in here. So that was the front door I was at when I first came in. This unit also has a washer dryer unit on the inside for those who like to do their laundry before they either go back home or need to wash while they're on vacation. That option's available. This is bedroom number 2. There are actually 2 beds in here, so this suite will sleep plenty. You can see it has 1 closet over here, and it has 2 beds, which is really nice if you have more people or your kids are bringing friends. But this is a really big closet here. This door opens to, there's a connecting door to a bathroom in here. So this is the second bathroom in here. And both, I like the fact that all the bathrooms have, or all the rooms have a connecting bathroom, if you will. So this one looks just like the other one, but this bathroom has 2 doors. So there's a linen area again. Please disregard all the bags in the kitchen. I wanted to kind of do the filming before everybody dropped all their stuff. So this comes with a living room area, which is typically my favorite because you don't have to hang out in your rooms. It gives you a lot of extra space. The decor looks really nice and very coordinated, if you will. But there are plenty of seats in here. This is the main bedroom. So let me turn the light on. In here, this is the main bedroom. It's a king size bed. There's a larger closet, so all of our bags will go in the respective closets once I finish filming. And this is, you can see the ironing board, extra blankets, a safe. So it kind of looks like a regular hotel, but not a regular hotel because you have so much space. This is the shower area and another little storage area, if you will, in the main bathroom. And there are towels hanging behind the door and in front. And then there's also let's see. This particular one has the ocean view. Has a seating area out here. And there's enough to seat like a lot of people. And then you're right on the ocean. And you can just see water for days. It's very windy out here, so I'll stop talking so that the sound isn't murmured. But I'll do another video of the property maybe tomorrow. But this is absolutely beautiful. So thank you for joining and have a great day.